I know, I know. Been having a fairly good year this year. We got a brand new tractor. All kinds of cool things coming down the pipe for us. A lot of projects going to get checked off the list, and something was just bound to happen. All right, so I left the last video on a little bit of a cliffhanger. It was not intentional. I really didn't want it to be that way. We were making such great progress. We got everything together, got it looking real nice. Thought everything was going to just kind of end with a beautiful bow on top. But what I did was, and what you didn't see, was me taking it out for a little spin to get it tested out. And sure enough, this happened. So here's a shot of a good looking disc gang. Got 4 blades in it, all the bolts are down, everything's nice and tight, everything is accounted for. We got spacers and bearings, nuts, all that stuff. And here is what I'd found about 30 minutes into using it. So, missing 2 blades, axle's pulled out about halfway, bumper washer, nut, all that stuff gone. Surprisingly, this spacer's still there, but I think that's just because that axle is somewhere right in the middle. And then of course the axle pushed back, banging up against the blade on another disc gang over here on the end. And yeah, so after roughly say 2, maybe 3 days of scouring every area that I've been to, trying to find any remaining parts that I could, I did luck out and had the girls out with me the day before today of me filming this, poking around in a little area next to the house. And what we did is we come up with the bumper washer, which is this piece right here. So you know, you got 1, 2, 3, 4 discs, and then this will slide on the end, and then the 7/8 bolt will tighten down and push against this to squeeze the discs and everything together. All right, so my plan is, just got out of work and I don't have a whole lot of time, a whole lot of sunlight left. My plan is to get this thing kind of put back together, and at least get it kind of back together, and I'll go through on a day when I have a little bit more time, and I'll tighten everything down as much as I can. I'll probably go over it twice just to make sure I didn't miss anything. But every single nut, every single bolt, I'm going to check all the welds, anything that I might possibly miss for the next time. So joke's on me, I should have been paying more attention to it, and I should have not jumped the gun. Let me get this fixed up. Let's roll that B footage I got of all the work that we put into it, and we'll get this thing cleaned up real nice, and I'll catch you on the other side of it. Well, that was a great trip we took down memory lane. I really enjoyed editing that portion you just watched, combining all the old videos and picking out the things that I really like to do with this project. And let's do a quick recap. The disc we purchased from a local tractor dealer for roughly 400 to 500 bucks. Material, there was some square tubing material that we had to purchase, the paint, the welding supplies. I bought a welder so that I can make those repairs to a part of the frame, some grease, some pins, some bolts, some nuts. Really that was it. As far as the undercarriage, bearings, shafts, all that stuff were in really good shape after we cleaned it up, so we didn't have to put a whole lot of money into that. The discs were probably 200 to 250 bucks as a combined set. That's all 16. So I think that kind of brings us out to a total of somewhere around $1,200, including the actual discs from the very beginning. And when we started this, we knew that we could go out and buy one brand new at this size for $1,200 to $1,400, and sometimes even more than that. And that wasn't exactly what we were motivated to do. We needed something to film. We needed something to work on. We didn't have a tractor at that moment, but we had this. So all that time and effort, instead of just sitting around waiting for a tractor to appear, I decided to break this down and utilize my time. And this is what we get. This is the trophy, the reward for that effort that we put into it. So all in all, I'm super happy with it. If we had a choice to do it all over again, if another piece of equipment happened to catch my eye, or maybe catch somebody else's eye that wanted us to fix up for them, I would do it in a drop of a hat. I think now that I've got the experience doing this one, I think the next one will probably go a lot smoother, because I'm able to build a timeline as to what needs to be done first. And now I know where to get material from. I know where to get certain things from. I wish there was one box store I could just walk into and they have everything I need, but it doesn't necessarily work that way. Everyone's become kind of niche in some things that they do, and the places that consider themselves a big box store seem to be lacking that specialty stuff. So we're super thrilled with it. We've got a 50 by 50 garden that we're going to do a video on here. We just got our seed started a couple days ago. Today we're going to be getting a load of dirt for that, and we're going to be hooking this thing up to the tractor as soon as this video gets shut off, and put it to work. So just wanted to thank everyone for stopping by, and thank you for the support throughout this whole entire project. It really does mean a lot for people sharing our videos and giving us the comments and the thumbs up and the subscribes. We're just moving on the subscriptions right now. It seems I don't know, surreal, I guess, but last I checked, I think we were at 175. And if you're reading this and you're not subscribed, please hit that button, because it really does make a difference to the channel and where YouTube puts us. So again, thank you all for the support. I really hope you enjoyed this whole series. If this video is one of the first ones you've watched, stop it, go back, start from the very beginning, and you can catch all the action. So my name is Mike. Thank you guys again for stopping by. We'll see you next time.